Hi, and welcome to my PowerPoint on local and global management strategies in extreme environments. This will be in paper 1 and will be theme 8. Firstly, our named region is the Sahel, which is in Africa. If you look on the left, you'll see the countries that make up the Sahel region. On the right, you'll see that this guy has been complaining about climate change. The reason why he is complaining about climate change is there's a lot of drought within the region. However, the area is suffering from desertification. That's a key word. Desertification is where land turns into a desert. The reason why it's turned into a desert is due to the high amounts of evaporation in the region, coupled with high winds and heavy rains, which are leading to soil erosion. So what can be done to help? Well, first of all is our local scale management schemes. Here we have a hand pump. Hand pumps are easy to make and they are easy to maintain. They can be looked after by the community and the parts can be sourced locally. This is an example of intermediate or appropriate technology. Secondly, we have conservation farming. Conservation farming limits soil erosion. And finally, we have diguettes in Burkina Faso. Diguettes slow the amount of overland flow and prevent soil erosion from happening. On a global scale, we have a variety of agreements. Firstly, we have the Kyoto Protocol. The Kyoto Protocol was set up to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 2012. However, the USA and Australia did not sign up. Then we have the Copenhagen Accord. 190 countries got together and agreed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. However, this was not set in stone, so failed. Finally, we have the Durban Agreement. Again, 190 countries were involved, but this made it an agreement. Therefore, they had to abide by the agreement to reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emissions a country produces. Then, in the Antarctic, we have what is called the Antarctic Treaty. This limits the amount of commercial development in the area. And finally, we've got the UN Convention to Combat Desertification. This was set up in 1994 and is aimed at reducing land degradation and providing more sustainable solutions. Here is an example of a higher exam question. You will notice that it's only looking for local actions, so you will need to look back over local actions. Look at the exam tips to provide you with the guidance that you need to effectively answer that question. This one is an example of a foundation question. Notice how it says global action this time round. Again, look at the exam tips to help you answer this question effectively. And finally, we have another higher exam question. Again, look at how it says or reads global actions. Look at the exam tips to help you to answer the questions. Thank you.